So my name is Cara Argumedo, and I'm married to Victor. We have 3 kids. Liam is 9, Nora is 7, and Olive is 4. And I'm a physical therapist, and I work in a neonatal intensive care unit.
My name is Victor Argumedo. I'm a physical therapist. We've been practicing natural family planning for about 10 years now, and we've been doing couple league teaching for about 5 to 6 years.
We chose natural family planning. It's kind of actually been an evolution. Initially, I wanted to make sure when we were ready to have kids that it would happen on my time. So I learned the method so I could track my symptoms and kind of plan that and help plan that out. That matches my very planning type personality. But it's interesting because that kind of paralleled with our Catholic faith becoming more deeply rooted in us. And so it led us to a lot of more information about what actually happens when you take birth control. And it was the moment when I was listening on the radio about how when you take hormonal birth control, you can still be conceiving. And if you do, your body isn't ready to receive the baby, and so you can be having miscarriages that I didn't know was even an option. And I just remember hearing that and just thinking, oh my goodness, had we lost babies that I don't even know about? And from that moment on, I kind of knew that that would never be an option for us again. We would never use any sort of hormonal birth control again. And so at that point, we decided, Victor and I together, to take a actual course and learn the method together as a couple and really learn how to use it and implement it into our life.
NFP is different just because you end up having to be pretty much in self-control to control your urges, and then when you are kind of let go of that self-urge, it's just all love, it's all intimate, and it's a little bit more exciting. Imagine if you really loved beer, right? And then you just love the taste of it and you abstain from that for just, let's say, 1 month, right? That beer, when you come to the end of the tunnel, that beer is going to be the most magical beer that you're ever going to experience. And that's what making love feels like with NFP.
I think for us at our beginning of our marriage, it was still very much like 2 separate people. And, it was finally when we took NFP and we started practicing it together that 2 become 1, I think, clicked in our marriage. So it just felt different. It just is different. That 100% of me is 100% of him and vice versa. 2 become 1 is just such a foreign, abstract concept. I think that's why I'm having trouble putting it into words. And then when you actually feel it and it clicks, because we loved each other. We loved each other when we got married. We loved each other when we were dating. But it's just a different level of love, of knowing each other, of having confidence and trust in each other. It's not just on me. I think that's a big thing. When you're taking hormonal birth control, it's on me, right? I go to the doctor, I get the medication, I take the medication, and none of that really affects him because you can't get pregnant if you don't want, if you're not ready to have a baby. And so, that's taken away, and it's on both of us. It's teamwork. How does it feel to have that trust? I guess it feels like home, right? Like you're always going to be cared for.
That was awesome. Yeah. There's a lot of sincerity behind that here. That was great.
This is so weird.
I think it impacted our family just in a lot of different ways. I think for me in my personal journey, I think it's brought me to a lot more self-control On certain urges, temptations, of course, it's really like you have to respect the other person, where she's at, timeline, whether you're going to have a baby or not have a baby, you have to respect that. And that self-control personally has led to other parts in my journey to be more self-disciplined in spirituality, and more disciplined with my diet, with more discipline with exercise, more discipline with how I'm patient with my children.
Postpartum is very hard when you're not cycling and you're trying to figure out the logistics of that, and you're feeling exhausted and tired, and it is one other thing that you have to pay attention to on top of taking care of babies and little ones. That's really hard. I am blessed with a husband who's on board, and so when I tell him, so our conversation will kind of be like, he's like, hey, is tonight the night? And I'm like, well, do you want a baby? And he's very much like, maybe, yes, no, whatever, he's, whatever the decision is, and we've already talked about it, he's comfortable with it. So we don't have any difficulties abstaining when we need to. We don't have any difficulties communicating, but that's because we've been doing it for 10 years faithfully. And so I think consistency and habit and having it be part of our lifestyle has helped us.
The challenges with natural family planning is a little bit more of just kind of understanding and being willing to change your own frame of mind of what your understanding is of menstrual cycle, and just being ready to learn. I think that was a lot more of a challenge on my end. The concepts themselves are not extremely challenging. If you, just like anything else, you can dedicate your time to actually learn a lot more about it. But really, it's much more of the willingness to learn and be flexible, learn something different.
Something about making love. I'm sure, probably. No, we don't. What was my favorite part?
The communication.
Yeah.
Classic.
We were talking about our feelings, or how it made me feel, and I was saying, I don't know the exact words, I think I said something like, it kind of makes me feel like home, like peaceful, confident, like we're in it together. Yeah. Unified.
How do you feel about that?
I mean, I don't know, I feel like it's not it's not anything else like the rest of your life. It's different. It is something, again, special, something miraculous, something beautiful. It's just been a wonderful journey to kind of go along with you, with NFP, cherishing you and everything that comes with all of you. And I love our marriage. I love what we do. I love what we do for us. And I love the way we communicate.
I love your willingness to learn something new and to try and be different and crazy and go against the norm and not be bashful about it. I'm very proud to be your wife.
All right.
Cut!